this thing on? Greetings, everyone. I know it's been a while, but hopefully y'all are doing good. Sorry that I haven't been putting up more videos recently. I've just been taking my fair share of L's on sneaker releases. But today, I wanted to give you guys an update on one of my favorite sneaker releases so far this year. If you've seen me outside in the past 6 months, then you've probably seen me wearing these bad boys right here, the Adidas Yeezy Foam Runner. And these are in the sand colorway, or hue, or shade. They look the same as the OG Ararat colorway, but are slightly a different shade. OG! I have to say that despite the fact I've only been wearing these for the past 6 months, it feels like I've had these for years. And I mean that in the best way possible. Like, these have made a huge impact on my life. Kanye West Ye and Adidas really hit the nail with the Yeezy Foam Runner. The silhouette is great, the design is great, the technology is great. At first, I was just purchasing these thinking I would wear them once in a while just for oohs and ahs, but as soon as I took them out the box, I knew that these would be a permanent fixture on my foot. The Foam Runners are honestly the most comfortable shoes that I've ever worn, and thus, I started wearing them every day. If I was going somewhere, I wanted to have on the Yeezy Foam Runners. Similar to my experiment with the Yeezy Quantums, where I wore those for a full year, I'm kind of trying to do the same thing with the Foam Runners. I've been making a conscious effort to put these on before any other shoes that I own. And so far, there's been 2 main positives that have come from choosing the Foam Runners as my go-to sneakers. Obviously, they're incredibly comfortable. It's like walking with pillows on your feet. I can walk longer and stand on my feet longer when I'm wearing these shoes. But also, these have such an unorthodox look that it's a guaranteed conversation starter wherever you go. No matter where I'm going, someone stops me and asks me what I have on my feet. People say they look like alien Crocs, laundry baskets, space clogs. People are just really surprised to see something like this. And not to toot my own horn, but I've definitely influenced a few people to buy the Yeezy Foam Runner for resale. So Adidas, you may owe me some commission. But since I've been putting so many miles on the Yeezy Foam Runner, I thought it would be cool to show you guys what starts happening to them. Overall, the shoe seems to hold up pretty well despite the fact that I've been wearing them so much over the past 6 months. The upper, aside from a little bit of dirt, still looks exactly like when I pulled it out of the box. In fact, it even smells way better. When these first came in the mail, they smelled like... But the biggest change over the past 6 months is all this grip that I've been able to fade off of the outsole. And of course, the look of your traction pad at this point is going to vary depending on how much you wear your Foam Runners. So if you were to cop them and just wear them like a regular person, it wouldn't look this bad. I'd love to do another update in the future, hopefully in the near future, and see if I can completely fade off all the traction on the Yeezy Foam Runners. Has anyone else been wearing these every day? I want to know if your traction pattern looks anything like mine. Feel free to send me pictures to Instagram, and that's actually a perfect segue and opportunity to plug the Instagram. Make sure that you guys follow me at MouseOnFeet. Of course, I post a lot of pictures of the sneakers that I buy and review, and a bunch of other shoes that I wish I could get. But yeah, overall, the Foam Runners have not done too bad over the past 6 months with extreme use. So if you're still looking to get a pair of these, I'd say just go for it.
Obviously, only if you have the money to do so. Don't just go ahead and buy these for resale without consulting your bank account first.
The Foam Runner, specifically in that sand colorway, is honestly my favorite sneaker that I've picked up this year so far. And dare I say Kanye West's best effort since the Air Yeezy with Nike. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching this update. Remember to subscribe to the channel, leave a like, and if you made it to this point in the video, comment yay. Thanks again, guys, and I hope to see you on the next video very soon. Peace.